Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing on the Recto Verso in monogram. I lucked up and got this. It was in stock one day, randomly, like at night, and I saw it and I missed it the first time. And then I checked back like probably 30 minutes later, and it was constantly like out of stock and in stock and out of stock and in stock. So I hurry up and got it. I end up actually sending it to the wrong delivery address, but I got it changed. So I'm super excited because this was a piece that I feel like I could use in many different ways. And yeah, so I'm just gonna place the phone down. I am just starting my YouTube, so I don't have a good setup yet, but I'm just gonna place the phone down and get it unboxed and show you guys the final product. So excited. From what I saw on other videos and just pictures that vuitton have on their site, it's super pretty. And yeah. Okay, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to really open this like this. One second. Okay, so I opened up the box, and obviously it has the little pouch that it comes in. Let's see. So cute. Okay, so I'm sorry guys. So here is the product. I'm in love with it. It's so small but so functional. It has the 3 card holder in the back. In the front, it just has where you can put probably some coins or something thin. And then one moment, I'm gonna unzip, show you guys how it looks inside the zipper. Okay, so this is how it looks. It opens up pretty wide. I just can't really do it with one hand. It also, my favorite part, it comes with this key ring. And I love that because I don't really have to take my purse in everywhere. I can just grab this and have my keys and be good to go. So yeah, and this price, the price for this was before tax is $5.90, and then after tax for me it was $6.26. So yeah, it was pretty expensive, but I feel like this piece is worth it just because it plays as a wallet, and it's thin, so it could fit in many bags and you won't have that problem of it bulking your bag up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and quick review of the unboxing, and I hope you guys subscribe. Thank you. Bye.